welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Dr. Jazzman1. Check this out. This just came in the mail yesterday. I bought some shoes over the weekend, and that's what this box is. I actually bought some Puma shoes. And speaking of Puma, check this out. This is a pretty cool shirt, huh? Kinda reminds you of the 90s. So the Puma shoes that I got are RSS Tech. That's Tech with a 3, you know. Instead of an E, you know. T3CH. Yeah, I know. Crazy, don't you think? But guess what version it is? I'll show you this in 3, 2, 1. Bada boom, baby! Check this out. It's Thundercats. Oh, but look at this. This is the logo. It says Thundercats Classic. Oh, look at the claws on the box. Now that is awesome. Oh, look at that. There's a cheetah on here. Or is that a panther? Yeah, I think it's a panther. I didn't get these on their Puma site. I actually got them off Foot Locker. Now let's see what they look like. Let's see what kind I got. Wow! Oh, that is awesome! Look at this! Wow. These are the Thundercats shoes. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, you see this? Look at that. There's fur on this shoe, along with the other. Look at this. This has a combination of Panthro, Chitara, and Lionel, who are the 3 main characters in Thundercats. That's their icon. It's real cool. Oh, it has the same Panther icon as well. There's one right here. Oh, wait a second. I haven't seen some of these in so long. Okay, I don't know what I just said. I forgot what they were called. Not the icon, but these little. Let's take a look at the inside. Let me just remove. Here we go. That says Puma, and that's the Thundercats logo. And there it says Alexander John. I guess he's the one that created the Puma shoes. Check out the bottom. Look at that. That is awesome. Oh, there you see the Thundercats logo right here. Oh wait, did I miss something? Look at these. These are spikes. Wow. Never seen this. Never seen that before. Rubber spikes. I think I've seen a shoe with spikes before. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. That's really cool. Especially love the stripes. This leopard fur is really what makes this awesome. I cannot wait to show this to my sisters. Go. Check the toe. yep, they fit. Let me put on the other one. Alright. Now here's the best part. Here we go. These shoes kind of feel comfortable. Just move this out of the way. I think they put soft cushions in these shoes. It's pretty nice. Now I'm gonna start walking. These are awesome. I know some of you nostalgia fans are really into pop culture and clothes collaborations. I think this one, the Puma with the Thundercats, really takes the cake. So I got this off of Foot Locker for like $120. And let me tell you, that's a pretty cool price. So if you guys want to get one of these, I will leave a link down. Well, if you want to get this or any other Thundercats shoe, I will leave a link down in the description below so you guys can get one. And if you already have one, let me know what your thoughts are about them in the comments below. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this review. And if you did, don't forget to give it a like. If you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And TikTok. And as always, keep it nostalgic. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.